Hey guys, welcome back to L Taylor Guitar. Today we're taking a look at the Novation Circuit again. I've got another handy little trick for you. This trick today is all about parameter automation, which sounds a bit complicated, but all it means is that we're going to take one of these buttons and we are going to record automation. So this button is basically going to feel like someone's turning it, but we're not going to have to turn it because we've got the robots to do it for us. They're taking over. So this is our current drum groove. Which isn't, there's nothing wrong with that, but we can make it a little more interesting. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this pattern, and that's just going to give us a longer phrase so we have a little bit more variety in what we do. So the effect I want to automate, or the parameter I want to automate, is the pitch of the hi-hat. Yeah? So all we've got to do is press record, and then when we hit play, and that's all you've got to do. You've just got to hit the record button, followed by play, and then move the button you want to affect. It'll go red, and then you just move it however you want to move it, and that should be saved. And we can tell it's it's changing because we can hear it changing, but also you'll be able to see the brightness of this LED go increase and decrease. There we go. That's my small handy tip for the Novation Circuit. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to subscribe, that would be amazing. Most of my content on this channel is all about guitar, music theory, music lifestyle, that kind of thing. So if that sounds interesting to you, as well as this kind of tech stuff, then go ahead and subscribe. Please leave any comments in the comment section below, along with any suggestions for future content, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.